Do you want to build an AI agent powered by DeepSeek and N8N? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect the DeepSeek model to an AI agent workflow. Let's now get started. First, open your N8N workspace. I assume that you've already logged in your account. Now, on the N8N surface, look to the left sidebar. The next thing that you will look for is the template. Then click it. Once you click it, it will open a window. You can see a search bar at the middle of the page. In this box, type DeepSeek AI agent. This search will bring up several options related to AI agents. When you find the DeepSeek AI agent that fits what you're looking for, it's time to select it. Once confirmed, you can see Use for Free button and click it. Following this, you'll notice an Import Template button prominently displayed. This allows you to import the selected AI agent template into your designated N8N Cloud workspace. You will be asked to set up certain software application to seamlessly integrate with template to full functionality. This might require some time to input credentials or adjust settings, ensuring that the AI automation works without a hitch. And that's it! You've successfully created an AI agent using DeepSeek in N8N. Keep learning, keep automating, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.